Sorry, I had to take a picture. Came over here to do a small reveal for the family. We already knew at the doctor, but we wanted to let everybody else know. And then her family is from Ohio, about 10 hours away from us, so we did a little live video on Facebook so they could see. Pretty cool, you know. He's so excited about it.
Not yet. Yeah, you gotta give it a minute. It's also hard to see with, you know, a cracked screen. Hold on. It says it's reconnecting now. Hold on, my service just went out.
Don't get in front of that.
Hey, we can't. We're not gonna do that. Hey! What is it? I'm about to take that. Give it to me. I know, but we're not doing that. We're doing something for Josh and them.
I can't wait to show y'all this. All this is being recorded. I can't wait.
No! No! Brianna!
Can
we see if we're having a girl or a boy? I'm not come stay with me unless what? Look, y'all are ticking casing off.
What?
I know it. You want to know if you're having a sister or a brother, don't you?
You got things watching, babe?
Yep. I just started it back up because my service isn't working for some reason.
Or is your Wi-Fi on? It probably was.
No, I turned it off.
We're going for a girl. Woo-hoo.
Everybody's hoping for a girl?
Are we having a girl, Kason?
Already kidding.
Woohoo!
Alright, y'all ready?
Y'all know what it is?
Yeah. We do.
Well, that's a girl, by the way. Josh is grinning.
Not a boy.
Already guessed it.
It might be a girl.
Yes, a girl.
I'm just
Might be
excited.
You really want 2 kids, George.
Yep.
Yeah,
Really
do you
want what?
really want
Do
2
you
kids,
really?
Josh?
I already got 2. Y'all ready? Set. A girl, yay!
We're having a girl, baby.
3 girls, 3 boys.
It's all even.
It's a boy.
No.
It's a girl.
Boys coming at Taylor. And he's gonna be just like you, so y'all be sure of all the time.
We're gonna have a little girl,
It's a girl.
London Elizabeth. You sure you're ready?
Mm-hmm.
Number 2?
Mm-hmm.
You know she's gonna ride, right?
Mm-mm. She's gonna be a cheerleader.
Whatever, we're gonna have a little pink gear sitting everywhere, you know? There's gonna be a little pink fox helmet sitting around somewhere, ain't there, Star?
Say, Daddy, she gonna be a girly girl.
This
Huh,
Star.
Star? She gonna be a girly girl with pink and ribbons and bows.
Yeah. Star, can you sit? Thank you.
What about you, pups? You ready for another one? Crawling around playing with y'all?
Huh? Just gonna put
Now we got one each.
I can't wait.
How about that? How we get so lucky? One each.
Yeah. Tell them. Say we'll see y'all next time. Say we'll see y'all next time. Say it. Yep.